मंत्रिमंडळाच्या ह्या निर्णयात राणेच्या चल्याचे मत विचारात घेतिल्ले आसत जाल्यार कॅबिनेट दर्जो दिवपाचो हो निर्णय पुरायेन कायद्याच्या विरुद्ध आशिल्ल्याचे फेरदीन सांगता. कायद्याचे दिश्टीन एका विशिष्ट मनशाक येदो व्हडलो अधिकार दिवपाविशीं राज्यघटनेत खंयच उल्लेख केल्लो ना अशें तांचें म्हणणें.
Now coming to your more pertinent question,
Yes.
does the cabinet have the power to take such a decision?
Yes. Giving special status
course
to
the-
yes.
Of course, the cabinet has a power, but every decision of the cabinet must meet the touchstone of Article 14 of our Constitution, which is non-arbitrariness. In the instant case, clearly, the decision, in my opinion, is clearly arbitrary. It is giving to an individual a largesse which cannot be done. If Mr. Rane accepts this position now, as I understand,
Yes.
that will be an office of profit, and he can be disqualified under the Representations of People Act. And thirdly, if his son participates in the cabinet decision,
Oh.
it is clearly a biased decision
Oh.
because he participated in those decisions. My opinion, firstly, such largesse in a democracy should not be given to a politician who retires, whether he has served for 1 year, 10 years, or 50 years, that is irrelevant.
Yes.
All politicians who retire are entitled to a pension, and therefore they are protected by the pension.
Yes.
Now, the pure object in the instant case, I do not think is because of his service. There are so many others who have served, nobody ever thought of giving them.